Hi guys. So we have been learning about adding to problems like we added with the jelly beans. Today we're going to take away, we're going to separate from a part. So here's the first problem. I need your help helping me show it. There are 5 flowers at the garden. 3 flowers were picked. How could we show this? What are some ways that we could use maybe our 5 frame or our part whole mat to show this? Let's take a look. We could draw a line between the 3 flowers that were picked and then the flowers that are left. If 3 flowers were picked, then that takes the 2. There are only 2 left. Here's another one. There were 4 crayons in the box. 3 crayons were broken. How could we show this? What would be a way that you could show this on your own? That's right. You could cross off the ones that were broken. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 broken crayons. 1 is left in the box. Here's another one. There were 5 ducks in a pond. 2 ducks got out. How could we show this? That's right. We could cross off again. We could put them on our 5 frame. We could put them on our part whole mat. Our whole number would be 5. One of our parts would be 2. That's right. There would be 3 ducks left.